Hey, what's up, guys? So I just got this new mouse. Because I've been using a bunch of mouses like the Macally, right? Macally. I also have the keyboard, and keyboard works good, right? Mouse works good too, but I feel that it's kind of limited. Very limited to when I'm trying to do many things like gestures. You can't do gestures, like you would on the Magic Mouse, which is a bummer. And so I also bought this one, which is a very cheap mouse that I bought. So it was a combo, a mouse keyboard combo that I bought for like $12. At first, it worked great. You can use the mouse on like two different devices. But man, it kept disconnecting, from the Mac Mini, so that sucks. So, you know, I've decided that it was enough, and you know, so I bought the MX Master 3S, and today I'm doing the unboxing, and we're gonna see. So I think I'm gonna make another video, uh, talking about my experience with it. Maybe after a few weeks, or maybe after a week, maybe I don't really know, but let's do the unboxing. So I just got it, and let's see what we have. All right, so I have to say that I really like the box. Box looks great. um oh damn, box is damaged. That sucks. Let's see what we got. Alrighty. Oh, it's I mean, it's it's simpler than I thought. The packaging. Let's see. So we have the mouse. I'm not gonna lie, it feels good. Mouse feels good, not gonna lie. Um, and then we have a USB dongle. Um, that's nice as well. Um, um, so I'm gonna use it with this Mac Mini and also this mini PC. I wanted something that I could use on more than one device, at the same time. Um, then where I could easily switch between one, and the other. So that's it. That's the unboxing. Like I said, this is a really nice box. So I already installed the software, Logi Option Plus, I think it's called. So I'm going to start and report back in about a week or two. Bye.